Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're taking a closer look at classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring real listings, honest prices, and timeless machines. Number 1. 1978 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $6,800, Rock Hill, South Carolina. This 1978 Harley-Davidson FXE Superglide represents the raw, mechanical character that defined the AMF-era shovelhead. With just 8,700 miles shown, this bike remains a true survivor rather than a heavily modernized rebuild. Power comes from the iconic 74 cubic inch shovelhead V-twin, paired with a 4-speed transmission and chain drive. The bike features an S&S Super B carburetor, chrome staggered dual exhausts, and both electric and kickstart capability. Recent work includes a full brake system rebuild, refreshed engine and transmission, new battery, and carburetor service. Original tank graphics, a stepped 2-up seat, and a chrome sissy bar complete the classic 1970s Superglide look. Number 2. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650, $3,650, Savannah, Georgia. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ650 is a well-balanced classic that blends performance with everyday usability. Powered by an air-cooled inline-4 engine, this example has 17,750 miles and is described as a reliable daily rider. The seller notes extensive recent maintenance, including new tires, brakes, master cylinder, chain and sprockets, along with fresh oil and filter. Everything reportedly works as it should, making this KZ650 a strong option for riders seeking a vintage bike that doesn't require constant attention. Finished in blue and offered with a clean title, it reflects Kawasaki's reputation for durability during the late 1970s. Number 3. 1976 BMW R100S, $6,500, Port Richey, Florida. This 1976 BMW R100S showcases classic German engineering with touring-focused refinement. With approximately 40,000 miles, the bike is described as being in great overall condition. It features fresh fluids, good tires, a Corbin seat, LED lighting, and a brown side stand. One standout feature is the Hannigan fairing, noted as the last one produced, adding historical interest. The original Boxer twin engine provides smooth, reliable performance, and even the clock is reported to be working properly. This R100S balances originality with tasteful updates, making it suitable for both collectors and long-distance riders. Number 4. 1987 Honda Goldwing Aspencade, $3,500, Spartanburg, South Carolina. The 1987 Honda Goldwing Aspencade represents peak 1980s touring comfort. With 51,960 actual miles, this GL1200 comes equipped with factory features including an AM/FM cassette radio, travel bags, and original owner's manual. It has been garage-capped and includes tools and a cover. While it will need an oil change and carburetor cleaning, it starts as a solid platform for a comfortable touring setup. Known for smooth power delivery and long-term reliability, the Aspencade remains a favorite among riders who value comfort, stability, and proven engineering. Number 5. 1966 BSA 650 Thunderbolt, $3,500, Gloucester, Virginia. This 1966 BSA 650 Thunderbolt is presented as an honest, largely original British classic, garage-kept and owned by the same individual from 1971 until recently. The bike has not been abused or heavily modified. It features a rebuilt carburetor, new battery, and reportedly starts and runs, though it will benefit from additional care after being off the road since 2011. The tires have good tread but are older, and mileage cannot be verified. For collectors seeking a true vintage British twin with documented long-term ownership, this Thunderbolt offers solid historical appeal. Number 6. 1973 Yamaha RT360, $3,600, Forsyth, Georgia. The 1973 Yamaha RT360 is a classic two-stroke enduro that reflects Yamaha's off-road heritage. Showing approximately 7,000 miles, this bike has undergone a complete engine rebuild and extensive refurbishment. Updates include new chain and sprockets, fresh paint, cables, brakes, battery, and lighting, with everything reported to be functioning properly. It runs and shifts strong and uses a premix fuel setup. Offered with a bill of sale, this RT360 is well suited for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a vintage dual-purpose machine with recent mechanical attention. Number 7. 1974 Triumph Trident, $3,200, Hindman, Pennsylvania. This 1974 Triumph Trident offers classic British triple-cylinder performance in a distinctive package. The bike is described as running and riding well, with a clean title matching the frame. Numerous new parts have been installed, including tires and brakes, along with a fresh paint job on the fuel tank. The engine is a replacement unit from a 1972 model due to missing components on the original motor. The remaining task noted is finishing the wiring for the lights. Once completed, this Trident stands as a unique and affordable entry into vintage triple-cylinder ownership. Number 8. 1979 Suzuki GS, $7,500, Shacklefords, Virginia. This 1979 Suzuki GS is presented as a ready-to-ride classic with 21,000 miles shown. Finished in black, the bike is described as being in nice used condition with a clean and clear title that matches the frame. While details are limited, the GS series is known for reliable four-cylinder performance and solid road manners. For buyers seeking a straightforward vintage Japanese motorcycle that requires no immediate work, this GS offers simplicity and proven engineering. Number 9. 1972 Moto Guzzi 750 Ambassador, $10,000, Macon, Georgia. The 1972 Moto Guzzi 750 Ambassador is a standout Italian classic with strong historical significance. Showing 14,200 miles, this former police model features period-correct details such as floorboards, large handlebars, boot guards, and dash-mounted equipment. The ignition is mounted on the left side, replacing a toolbox, which is considered a desirable configuration. Stored indoors for many years, this V7-powered Ambassador offers distinctive styling and torque-rich performance. Offered at $10,000 or best offer or trade, it appeals to collectors seeking a unique European touring motorcycle. Number 10. 1972 BSA Lightning, $3,750, Brunswick, Georgia. This 1972 BSA Lightning A65 is a classic 650cc British twin equipped with a 4-speed transmission. The bike runs and drives and is offered with a bill of sale. The odometer shows 440 miles, though actual mileage is unknown. Finished in red, this Lightning provides a traditional riding experience with straightforward mechanical design. Offered with flexibility on price or trade, it represents an accessible option for enthusiasts looking to enter the world of vintage British motorcycles. Number 11. 1974 Honda CB550F, $5,500, Rembert, South Carolina. The 1974 Honda CB550F is a highly regarded middleweight classic, and this example is presented in excellent condition. With approximately 20,000 original miles, it was restored 7 to 8 years ago and includes the original toolkit. Lightly cafe-styled with drag bars and subtle lighting changes, the bike retains its original tank and motor. Upgrades include electronic ignition, stainless hardware, and a 4-into-1 exhaust. Described as a trophy-winning head-turner that needs nothing, this CB550 blends originality with tasteful performance enhancements. Number 12. 1973 Norton 850 Commando Roadster, $7,200, Jacksonville, Florida. This 1973 Norton 850 Commando Roadster was fully restored approximately 15 years ago and set up for touring use. It features a BMW fairing, upgraded suspension, rear disc brake, Boyer ignition, Mikuni carburetor, oil cooler, and ceramic-coated exhaust. While the original custom-painted tank is not included, the bike starts easily and runs well. With 30,333 miles shown, this Commando offers classic British performance with practical upgrades for longer rides. Number 13. 1975 Harley-Davidson Ironhead, $4,000, Anniston, Alabama. This 1975 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster features a 1,000cc engine with Andrews cams and an extended front end. Showing 10,253 miles, it starts easily and is described as a strong running bike. Painted in 1976, it reflects the era's custom style. As with many Ironheads, ongoing maintenance is part of ownership, but it offers raw character and classic Harley-Davidson presence. This example is well suited for riders who appreciate mechanical involvement and vintage American V-twin design. Number 14. 1980 Honda CB750 Custom, $1,900, Douglasville, Georgia. The 1980 Honda CB750 Custom provides an affordable entry into classic 4-cylinder ownership. Offered in fair condition, it has new spark plugs and fresh oil and runs through all gears smoothly. It will require a carburetor cleaning and a new battery, and the seller notes that smoke seen in the video was due to washing the bike. With a clean title and strong underlying platform, this CB750 offers value for buyers willing to do light mechanical work. Number 15. 1982 Suzuki GS650, $800, Heath, Ohio. This 1982 Suzuki GS650 is one of the most budget-friendly listings in this lineup. Finished in black, it recently received a carburetor cleaning, new seals, and updated handlebars. The bike runs great and is described as nearly ready to ride, needing only a rear tire. Offered at $800 or best offer, with trade options mentioned, it represents a practical project or affordable classic for riders looking to get on the road with minimal investment. That wraps up today's selection of classic motorcycles for sale. If you enjoy real listings and honest market insights, like the video and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer.